Welcome to the part 4 lesson of the ArcGIS Pro. In the previous lecture, we focuses mainly the how to create the roads or the lines work, and we also know the how to create the points, and how to create the contour, and how to create the polygons on the base map, and how to digitize the map, or we also show the how to download the DEM and how to place it. So today lecture we mainly focus on the how to create a 3D model from the DEM file. So for the creation firstly we firstly focus on this area. So for this purpose we are going to properties and going to the project coordinate system UTM, and the WGS 1984 northern hemisphere and the 42° north. So it will be okay, and by zooming this we can now cut from base map to our study area. So this is the base map of hillshade area. So firstly we on the my DEM file. So in this DEM file we can see the red area, which is very high elevated area, and the blue one is very low elevated area. You can also invert, like for example this red will be show the low, or the blue will be show the high elevation. So you can check mark this, and it can be shows the red one is low elevated and blue one is shows the high elevated. So I think this is will be okay, and you can also change the color as you wish. So by this 3D modeling we mainly focus on the hillshade. First of all we upload the hillshade on this DEM file. So by hillshade uploading we go to the we geoprocessing tool and search hillshade. So in this hillshade we give the input this Zaluchnala DEM file. It's the gorge which is name is Zaluchnala, and the azimuth will be this, and the attribute will be this, and the z factor will be 1. So it automatically create a folder on your same project area, and you can run it. So it takes while some minutes, and this is our hillshade of our area. So if I cross it, because of the very low area, so that's why the hillshade are not clear. So if I remove the DEM file, and yes, this is the hillshade area of the DEM file, and this is the DEM file is below the hillshade. So if you can drag it, so the DEM file will be upper and the hillshade will be lower. So you can also change the transparency, like for example transparency, if you can, yes, so it would be reduce the transparency of the DEM file. You can also reduce the transparency of the hillshade also. If I uncheck, so you can reduce the transparency. So by transparency you can use this raster layer option. Okay, yes, transparency. So now in the DEM file, firstly I save it. We go to the edit, and okay, we go to the we go to the add data, analysis, insert, map. In the map we have this add data option. We click it, so we have an option of elevation source layer. So if I click on it, so they give me that please upload the your DEM file. So I know that my data is in the, this is not DEM in share file, it's JPG. So wait, I just, okay, so this is the Geology DEM file. Okay, so it will take some minutes or few seconds to create a layer or 3D animation of the solution. It uploaded this ground layer. So now we go to the this another tools, which is name is in the view convert tool. So in the convert tool we go to the local scene. It also takes some minutes. So in this local scene, yes, so this is the our DEM file, as you know that this is our DEM file. So by clicking your middle uh, mouse, by pressing it, so you can move like this and this. You can also use like this. So, and by left mouse button you can move like this and this. And you can also change the elevation because it is too much bottom or too much low elevated area, so you can change it the elevation also. For example, if this is 1, if I go to the 4 and okay it, so it will be little bit elevated like this one. So it is more elevated, so I will go to the 2. So this is our the 3D model of our DEM file. I will be save it. So if you change the color, it will be automatically change also the color. For example, if I click on it, so it will also change the color. If I go to the like this kind of setting, this kind of color, so this will be the pink color is known as very high elevated, and the red one is known as very low elevated. If I uncheck, so this will be red one and this will be pink one. So you can change the color as you wish, but I think I will be take it like this color. So you can change and you can also invert it your color. So below the resolution we know it is a hell shade option is also present. Okay, so this is our the 3D model of my DEM file. We can also add the river. For example, we know in the, it will be passes the roads. We have also the uh, point data. We have also the point data this in this area. We have also the contour data, which is automatically create a contours on it. This is the contour data. This is the uh, polygon in which the blue one will be shows the permanent rocks. The this one will be show the this will be show Jurassic rock, and this will be show the late Permian rock. So you can so you can do everything in your DEM file, so it will be look very nice. So this is how to create a DEM file. So in next lecture part 4, we can be plotted the lines on this DEM file to show very good looking. Also you can also change the roads because you cannot see it. So go to properties and change the color. If I take the blue one, and this one will be if I apply it, so this will be blue in color. Just recommend, yes, this will be blue in color. So this all thing you can do it easily in the ArcGIS Pro for the 3D modeling. This is the, if I click on it, so it will be give me all data. What is this data road inside the gorge? If I click on this, so it's also show the road inside. If I click, for example, this rock, and I click this one, so it will be give me it's the Tobra formation. And for example, if I click on this, it will be Jurassic rock, which is known as the Permian rock Chidru formation. And if I click on the click on the contour, and I click this one, so it will be give me, okay, so it, for example, I click this one. Yeah, this is the contour 360 meter up above from the sea level. And if I click on the formation, so if I click this one, so it will be give me, okay, just wait a minute, if I like this, okay, test it, click on the point, just so you can click any, so it will be give a whole data. So this is our the 3D model. So in next lecture we can also do some modification in this 3D modeling.